A CI/CD pipeline is not just a faster way to ship code. For SecurityX thinking, the pipeline is a control plane. Every handoff can approve, block, or prove something. Who changed the code, what tests ran, which dependencies were used, what artifact was produced, and whether the release met policy before it touched production. Good pipeline security does not mean every control runs in one giant build step. Shift left catches preventable mistakes before merge, linting, secrets checks, dependency review, and branch protections. Shift right uses runtime telemetry, incident lessons, and production behavior to improve the next release. Mature architecture connects both directions. A senior architect also asks whether the pipeline can prove the software supply chain. Was the source protected? Were dependencies pinned and reviewed? Was the artifact built in a trusted environment? Was it signed? Is there an SBOM or attestation that links the final package back to the inputs? Speed is useful, but provenance is what makes release decisions defensible. One common pipeline failure is treating secrets as build ingredients. Tokens end up in repositories, environment dumps, logs, or copied artifacts. A stronger design uses secret managers, workload identity federation, scoped permissions, rotation, and audit logs. The question is not only, did the scanner find a secret? It is, can this pipeline access only what this job needs, only for the time it needs it? Promotion controls are where architecture meets governance. A successful build is not automatically a production release. The promotion decision should consider test results, vulnerability thresholds, artifact signatures, deployment approvals, risk exceptions, change records, and rollback readiness. If a policy exception is allowed, it should have an owner, expiration date, compensating control, and audit trail. Scenario: a team is ready to release a payment API feature. The build passes unit tests, but dependency scanning finds a critical library issue. The library is reachable only through an internal admin path, but the service handles regulated payment data. A senior response is not blind approval or automatic panic. Verify exploitability and exposure, assign an owner, patch if feasible, document any exception, add compensating controls, and keep the release decision visible in the audit trail. Concept check. A pipeline scans code and dependencies, but releases still depend on a last-minute manual meeting. What is the strongest architecture improvement? A. Keep scanning only, but never enforce results. B. Block every finding without context. C. Add policy gates that produce evidence, allow owned time-bound exceptions, and control promotion to production. D. Rely on manual review only at release time. The best answer is C. SecurityX rewards architecture that turns security checks into governed release decisions.